Jennifer Hughes, and you're watching Car TV.
This is a slam bag. This is the RS72. Okay, rated at 180 psi. It's a direct replacement for a Firestone or a Conatec. It's a stiffer bag than the others. You'll get a better ride. You'll get more lift out of it, so you can clear bigger wheels. On this one right here, which is a dual port, you can get. We've had trucks getting 78 inches. We're Slam Specialties, based out of Fresno, California. We're the manufacturer of these bags.
Hi, I'm Kathy with Toyo Tires, and you're watching Car TV.
Chevy dually with a J33 jet. It runs about 200 miles an hour and a quarter mile, and it's been over 300 in air shows. It weighs about 4,000 pounds, runs on diesel.
Where did this massive, super powerful engine come from?
Came out of a missile.